how to set time on our oven. Let me tell you. First, start this button, then press again. Blinking will start. From this plus sign you can increase the time, from this negative sign you can decrease the time. So our time is 8:57. So we will decrease the time. Are you seeing? It will take time because there is no numeric number keys, so that it will be easy work for you. You need to take little more patience. Okay, it's 58 almost. 58, correct. Still blinking is there, then you need to press set. Now it's done. Is it very easy? Yes. Thank you for watching.